In my room, I'm all alone. Put on your shirt and get in bed. Want so bad to get my phone.
What's up, divas? So you guys, it's another wig video from me, okay? So if you see me in this shirt on a previous video, it is because I have recorded more than one in a day. So you guys know I did go away, and I figured that I would dedicate my Sunday to recording some new wig videos, some affordable wig videos for you guys. With further ado, this one here is by the Janet collection. So you guys, I have been doing quite a few Janet collection projects, and I actually do like their wigs a lot. I have always worn their wigs. They did come out with some new glue, which is the Isha glue. It's the Isha Firm and it's the Isha Absolute. Now, these glues are just for lace wig wearers. So if you want to wear your wig for a day or two, you can definitely use the Isha Firm, which allows you to do sports, swim, your daily activities, and your wig will stay in place. You can place it up in a high ponytail. I will definitely link a video down below of me demonstrating that. And if you want to wear your wig for more than a day or two, like let's say a week or so, you can definitely try the Isha Absolute, which is definitely strong hold glue. Now, the best thing about these glues are that they dry within 30 seconds, okay? And this is true to the 30 seconds. They are white glue, but they're not as sticky and tacky and messy as like Bond, the Ghost Bond, the Aqua Bond, any of those bonds. They're not as messy, though I do like those too. I do like the Janet collection glue a lot because you don't have to do too much work with it, and it does dry clear. So I was able to pick out some new wigs with them, and this one I had wanted for a minute and it was out of stock, but then it came back in stock, and then it was like, well, you know, this one is like just like it, but maybe a tiny bit shorter. So I ended up getting both of them, the shorter one and the longer one, but they're really not that much different. But either way, I'm going to do a 2-in-1 video for you guys today, okay? So that way you can see the difference, because they're the same exact color, or kind of a little bit different, but you know what, it's kind of like the same thing, okay? The same thing. This is the Super Flow Deep Part Lace Wig, all right? So the first one I'm going to do is the one that I have wanted the most. I love the color. I've already went ahead and cut the lace off. The one cool thing about it is I did not have to tweeze a part in this unit, okay? Like, seriously, I did not have to tweeze a part. This one that I'm going to do first is called Super Moon, and the color that I have is an OET 1B/30. This is her. Her name is Super Moon, and the color is so freaking pretty. Like, look at this. Beautiful. The texture is not so silky, which makes it a lot more, you know, believable. And like I said, it was the soft lace. The combs are right here in the front, which I don't even mess with. And it has a deep part. It does have the adjustable strap and the comb in the nape area. Also link down below of where you can pick up Super Moon.
In my room, I'm all alone. Put on your shirt and get in bed. Want so bad to get my phone and call you up right now to say that I miss you. I miss you, baby. What if I said I'm missing you? I'm missing you lately. Whoa, whoa. But these memories only come around midnight. Then I can get you off my mind. Know that I should forget you, Lord knows I've tried. I can get you off my mind. My girl's been blowing up my phone. They trying to get me out tonight, but see, I'd rather be alone. To miss some other guy, probably cause I miss you, baby. And they may think I'm tripping, maybe. I'm feeling like I miss you, baby. And they may think I'm tripping, maybe. But these memories only come around midnight. I can get you off my mind. Wish that I could could forget you, Lord knows.
Okay, you guys, so this one here, Super Moon, is the one that I favored the most because it was just a little bit longer. So the next one that we're gonna do is the shorter version. I'm just gonna show you guys the back. This one is like long. I would say it's probably like about 24 inches, but the color is so pretty on it. Please excuse how it looks in the back. Okay, so if you're looking for something that is like this style but shorter, then you're definitely going to want to see the next one. But they're both middle parts, but you guys already know you can put them to the left or to the right. This is Super Moon. She's absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. I love the color 30 and 27 because it's just like one of my favorite colors now. So if I can make me a wig that looks just like this, girl, a girl will be happy. Like, this is like a beautiful color. I think I will wear like this color like year round if I had the opportunity to. So this one by Janet Collection is definitely cute. Like I said, it's super flow. So it is the super flow collection, and it actually is super flowy. I just put some of my Shop Miss A AOA Perfect Pressed finishing powder in it. The color that I used is almond, and it matches perfectly. My wig may be slipping back just a little bit because I didn't use the combs, but this unit is really nice. I also like the way they have the lace and the hair ventilated right here, because if you don't want to pull out any hairs, the hair will definitely rest like right about here, and you'll be able to just camouflage the hairline and such. So that's also what I do like about this unit, I noticed. Plus also the hair texture is not as silky, but very, very like flowy and loose, and like the color is on point. I also especially like the actual darker roots because it makes it look more natural. So we're gonna get on to the next one, and the next one that I'm going to review for you guys is Moon, shorter, and the color that I have is the OET 1B27. So the color is just a shade bit lighter, but it's the actual same Super Flow collection of Janet. So this also has the same exact concept. There is a deep part. The combs are right here, and the adjustable straps in the comb in the nape area. And I've already went ahead and cut the lace off of this one. So this is a lighter color. I like them both. This is the 27. Like I said, I like them both because they're kind of like in the same color family. I'm not really sure if I had to choose which one I would favor the most. It would probably be the 30, only because the 27 may be a little bit brassy in color, but you have to realize this is just a synthetic wig. But I would definitely probably choose the 30 because it's not as brassy.
But I can't get you off my mind. I know I shouldn't be feeling like this. I tried my damnedest to resist. I feel so alienated from you right now. Body's been calling out for you. It's screaming loud. I need you, but my pride tell me don't call. I've been wondering what you're up to. Act like I don't care at all. Fading memories and pictures. I love it, shone so bright. You're my favorite hello, and boy, my heart is goodbye. Come around midnight. I can't get you off my mind.
Okay, guys, so this is Moon. So you guys can tell the difference. It's a little bit shorter. This is probably like 20 inches. The pattern, the wave pattern, the hair texture, everything is identical except for one is Super Moon and one is just Moon. Now, my favorite, I would just say my favorite is Super Moon, the first one that I did, because I like that OET 1B30 color. It's like really pretty. The 27 isn't too bad, but it kind of comes off as a little bit brassy orangish color. And you know, it is a synthetic wig, so sometimes it's a little bit hard to get the colors just perfect in, you know, synthetic hair fibers. So I do believe like the 130 is like the one definitely like, yes, hunties, this is the one that I want to wear. So I do like this one, but I think the color mesh kind of like takes it away from me. I think if I got this in a 30, I would definitely be in love with it. But for the most part, they're both beautiful units. I like them both. I like the fact that you can just adjust them. You know, if you don't want to wear it in the middle, you definitely don't have to. For some reason, I don't think this one looked that great on me in the middle, and it may have to do with the color on it. So I preferred it on the side. But for the most part, they're still really affordable synthetic wigs. I'll definitely list below where you can pick these up at. I'm pretty sure you can definitely get this at one of my favorites, which is Sam's Beauty. But I will post all the direct links to this wig below, along with Supermoon as well. Let me know which one was your favorite. Supermoon, which was #1, or Moon #2. I love you guys. Stay deep and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs this video up, share it with your friends, family, social media, etc., etc. And I'll see you guys on the soon to come.